How to connect Playful rewards to TikTok. So how Playful rewards work is that you go ahead to the options that they have, of course, and once you find that option, just go ahead and follow whatever process it asks you to do. So you can log into your Playful rewards account and make sure you do have one. But you can only connect or technically link TikTok, and if they do have a reward system for that, if they do give the option. If not, then there's no manual way you can connect both Playful rewards and TikTok. So it only gives you the option to do so, of course, if they have the offer for that specific game or app or whatever it asks you to do. And if you go ahead and choose on that, it will automatically link to whatever app and, if possible, TikTok as well. But as of now, the only options you have is usually just games and whatnot. But pretty much that is one of the only ways you could possibly connect to TikTok, again, if the option is offered in your Playful Rewards app. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.